A few weekends ago, I had a fantastic time with my two young children, aged 4 and 6, as we spent the afternoon playing in the park near our home. It was a sunny Saturday, and the weather couldn't have been better for outdoor fun. My children had been eagerly looking forward to this park visit, and their excitement was contagious. As soon as we arrived, they rushed towards the playground, giggling with joy. Throughout the afternoon, we engaged in various activities. We started with the swings, taking turns pushing each other higher and higher into the sky. Their laughter echoed through the park, and their eyes sparkled with happiness. Next, we tackled the slides, and I cheered them on as they slid down with glee. Seeing their adventurous spirits come alive filled my heart with joy. We also explored the climbing structures, and it was incredible to see their confidence and coordination in action. A playful game of tag ensued, where we chased each other around the park, laughing together. In between our activities, we relaxed under a shaded tree, enjoying a picnic with sandwiches, fruits, and snacks. It was a time for us to connect on a deeper level, and I cherished hearing their thoughts and dreams. The day in the park wasn't just about fun and play. It was about creating lasting memories and fostering a strong bond. Watching my children explore, learn, and grow in a safe and stimulating environment brought a sense of pride and contentment. It reminded me of the beauty of parenthood and the unique joy of experiencing the world through a child's eyes. Overall, the occasion spent with my young children in the park was heartwarming and cherished. It strengthened our family bonds and filled our hearts with love and happiness. It was a reminder that amidst life's busyness, the simple act of playing together in a park can create beautiful and unforgettable memories that will be treasured for a lifetime. One. Do you think children should have a lot of toys? The quantity of toys a child should have depends on various factors, including their age, interests, and developmental needs. While toys can play a role in a child's learning and play experiences, having a reasonable variety of toys that stimulate creativity, imagination, and skill development is more important than simply having a large number of toys. 2. Where do children usually play? Children often play in various settings, such as playgrounds, parks, backyards, and indoor play areas. They may also engage in imaginative play at home, using household items and toys. 3. Do you think there are too many rules for children to follow, whether at school or home? Rules are essential for providing structure and ensuring safety for children. However, striking a balance between necessary rules and giving children the freedom to explore and make choices is crucial for their development. 4. Do you think children should follow all the rules? While children should be encouraged to follow essential rules that promote safety and well-being, some flexibility can be beneficial to allow for creativity and independent thinking. Teaching children about responsible decision-making and the consequences of their actions can be more effective than enforcing strict adherence to all rules. 5. Do you think it's necessary for parents to make decisions for their children? Parents play a vital role in guiding and supporting their children's decision-making process. As children grow and develop, parents can gradually involve them in decision-making to build their independence and critical thinking skills. 6. Do you think it is good for parents to help their children choose friends? Parents can play a supportive role in helping their children navigate friendships and social interactions. Encouraging positive friendships and discussing the qualities of good friends can be beneficial, but ultimately, Children should be allowed to make their own choices when it comes to forming relationships.